Toyota Corolla ownership cost in the USA. Real numbers, 2026. Buying a car in the US sounds simple. But what if I told you the real cost is way more than just the price? The Toyota Corolla is one of the most popular cars in America. It's known for reliability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance. But how much does it really cost to own one? Purchase price. In 2026, a new Toyota Corolla costs around $22,000 to $26,000. Used models can go as low as $12,000 to $18,000 depending on condition. Insurance cost. High RPM part. Insurance in the US is mandatory. For a Toyota Corolla, you can expect around $120 to $180 per month. But if you're young or new driver, it can go even higher. Fuel cost. Corolla gives around 30 to 40 miles per gallon, which is very fuel efficient. Monthly fuel cost. Around $100 to $150. Maintenance and repairs. One of the best things about Corolla is low maintenance. They're around $300 to $500 per year. That's cheaper than most cars in the US. Total monthly cost. Let's break it down. Asterisk insurance, $150. Asterisk fuel, $120. Asterisk maintenance, $40. Asterisk MISC, tax, registration $50. A total, around $350 to $450 per month. Is it worth it? Yes, if you want a reliable car, a low cost, or good resale value. But if you want luxury or speed, this is not for you. So, would you buy a Toyota Corolla in the US? Subscribe for more real car cost breakdowns.